This is a query that repeats itself. Israeli localization VAT AR. We'll choose a different printer. We'll have an output. Then we'll go to a generation. This is another query. Okay, so let's start it and see how it goes. I haven't shared the screen. Never mind. Shared screen. Okay. So this is the guiding page. We'll start by it. Go to, sorry. Go to account payable. Okay. I just close the window. Start. Account payable. Okay, close it. It's not responding. Okay. Okay. Logging in. I'm going to localization. EMEA VAT setup. VAT setup. Now it's open. I'll add a month with the month and save. I'll just show it, although May is open, our last month is open, but I'll show it. So here we add the relevant month. Actually, a lot of months, but anyway, here is the place that we added. Okay, let's go back. This is the screen as we saw it, and we're going back to accounts payables. Now we're running the query which is called EMEA VAT. I'm copy pasting the name of a query. I close this up. I think it goes through here. Go to request. Okay. Request. Request. EMA. I'm pressing tab and I'm getting the processes that are applicable. I'm going to selection process. Selection process, that's the one. Okay, reporting level, ledger and Israel. I'm choosing the relevant entity. I have all the stuff written here. Now I'm choosing system. Registration. Okay. Period name, May 2020. Minimum tax report. Actually, it has to go from 21, but anyway, let's use the all unaccounted. It's okay. I just wanna the printer. It's a global company. I'll make it a local printer. Okay, submitting the query and running, going into the SQL data, retrieving. It takes a bit of time. I think it might, at the end, it has to be completed. Yeah, takes around 20 minutes. Maybe it finished. It hasn't finished. Refresh it. I took period already reported, so I can skip this phase. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, so as if it was done because it was already done yesterday once we reported. Have I done? Anyway, I have to check that. And I'm going to return to the request. So I'm going backwards. If I haven't done the May, I'm going backwards to April because all the definitions were already done. Okay. Now we go into this. Okay. Now we're going for this query, which more or less repeats itself. Let's close all this. And I'm requesting query or operation. Going into the data. Think the request. Okay. So the period, I'm going backwards since it was already done. Operating unit, Israel. Book, also Israel. And posted, report only. Okay. I'm choosing the printer, a local printer that will enhance the operation. I hope this one doesn't take 20 minutes. Yeah. With the GLB view output, source tools, copy file. Okay. Now we're refreshing the data. I see what happened. I want to cancel this one because it's May and it's still standing. I wonder if I can just choose this one and refresh the data. Hope that doesn't take 20 minutes. I'll just pause the recording and I'll pause the recording if it does take 20 minutes because I want to complete this. Pause, pause. So I resumed it. I didn't take the 20 minutes. I just canceled the one with the, how do I did that? I stood on it and I pressed cancel request. But this is not the one, so I'm moving forward. Okay, you can see there that the thing is terminated. This has finished. Okay, so for some reason they want to see the log. So I'll just right. The screen is shared. Yeah. So press tools, more tools. Let's save it as text, and I can go in and see what the log is. Where did it save it to? Anyway, so I can see that this is the period. It takes the ID in the books, only the ones that are posted, and who's the user ID. I guess it's for verification. Just a moment, I'm charging the computer. Let's close this. And let's view the output. Okay. So it hasn't created an output. I'm moving forward. So we're making another one like that. This moment. Why hasn't created an output? Ah, okay. So we have to take the localization. This is a detailed one. Okay. Submit a new request. I hope it will just show up. Yeah, it is. That's nice. Okay, so it's February. Okay, we'll put the same details. Period. We'll put APR 2020. Operating unit. Same thing more or less, but now we want the detail. Just confirm. Posted report only. What's it say here? Options are, yeah, I have to choose that a local printer. Fantastic. Go. I don't know why another one is there. If it's like, I don't know why I can't stand this. Yeah, same. they're the same too. That's one. Detail, this detail. That's twice. Okay, never mind. Let's refresh it. Both are April, so it doesn't really matter. Choose. I'm pausing the so let's say view the, I think it has to be without color. That's what I think. Let's just do the output. Yeah, so it's not, it hasn't finished yet. Okay. I'm pausing. Zoom and then pause. Oh, okay. The process finished. Now you can see it's completed. I press view the output. Not this one. This one. View output, and I can see print it. Okay, I can see all the invoices, all the tax report. Transaction number, the class, the transaction date, if it's posted, the amounts, the exempt amount, which is none, taxable amount, it's actually the VAT. Okay, if it has a, it's not really tax, it's a VAT. And so this is yeah, so this is the VAT. Oh, so that's the report. Let's continue, because we have to make 8 the VAT as the form for the tax authorities, which is called 874. Not sure about that. Okay, so we have the detailed one. Let's move forward. Here I can see the output. Now we're doing it again. Why are we doing it again? So we need to the ones that are approved. We just changing the status and make a new request. We actually need to check it, but you know. Okay. Okay, period APR 2020. Is it the one I'm doing? No, this is a different one. This is a different one. We have to do another one to improve it. Yeah, this is the generation. I don't want the generation of the one. We want this one, the detail. APR 2020. And instead posted, I want to prove. Okay, I think I need to put the posted and then the approve. So in options, I again press TLP and I submit the query and I just pause the recording. So I'll show this query which has finished. I'll go to view output, and this is the BCN 874 report. We can save it more tools, save page as, and a text a document, and that's it. That's the localization of the VAT report.